6. The Seinfeld Strategy. The Seinfeld strategy is a simple but powerful way to stay motivated, especially when first developing a new habit. The strategy comes from some advice comedian Jerry Seinfeld gave someone once about how to stay motivated and consistent in your work. He told me to get an extensive wall calendar that has a whole year on one page and hang it on a prominent wall. The next step was to get a significant red magic marker. He said for each day that I do my writing task, I get to put a big red X over that day. After a few days, you'll have a chain. Just keep at it and the chain will grow longer every day. You'll like seeing that chain, especially when you get a few weeks under your belt. Your only job next is not to break the chain. Don't break the chain, he said again for emphasis. So the strategy itself is simple. For any habit, task, or routine you'd like to stick with, plan to do a little bit of it every day. Each day you complete the task, mark off that day on a calendar with a big red, or another color, X. Try to keep your streak alive as long as possible. Note how long your streak was next to that box if you miss a day. This is your new goal to beat. The Seinfeld strategy is a compelling way to stay motivated because it's a double motivator. A double motivator is motivating in two different ways simultaneously. In this case, crossing off each successful day gives you a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, positive reinforcement. But avoiding the pain that comes from breaking your streak also motivates you to keep going, negative reinforcement.